Hi, I'm James Crosson, and I'm from TVU Networks, product manager. And here at NAB 2024, we are introducing TVU MediaHub. TVU MediaHub is a virtual cloud or on-prem video router that can be deployed in your cloud, in our cloud, or on your devices, and it can support any type of input and any type of output, and any number of inputs and any number of outputs. And the user interface is designed to be as simple and user-friendly as possible. Basically, to route an input to an output, you're simply dragging the source to the output and routing it to this output. But this isn't just an output. This is actually a project that includes multiple, or can include multiple outputs, each which can have their own encoding profile. So you can have any number of destinations, each with using their own unique profile for bitrate or audio, anything, and it's still a seamless experience for the end user. So they don't need to worry about all the things behind the scenes. All they need to do is route their source to their output project. So it couldn't be simpler than that. On the input side, we have the ability to take in any type of input. So we have a URL parser where you can add any number of URLs directly, and we can parse them like HLS, YouTube, RTMP, SRT, Zixi, Facebook, TikTok, all of those. Just grab the URL and enter it here. Also, our TVU devices, of course, are available. TVU Anywhere, TVU Grid, TVU Pack, and so on. We also have some special types where if you need us to provide a server to send us an RTMP or to send us your SRT, we can stand up a server for you and give you a URL to send into MediaHub. We also have support for NDI, so you can bring in your NDI source manually or via Discovery server. And we've also added Zoom, so you can bring in a participant from a Zoom call and they can be included here in your source matrix as well. We also have the ability to bring in SDI inputs, and you don't even need our TVU hardware to do that. You can just deploy a lightweight, downloadable agent onto your device that has a decklink capture card, and you can select it here, find the port you want, and then assign one of those to a source in your matrix. But then on the side here, these are all just sources, so the end user doesn't need to worry, is this an SDI input, is this a YouTube video, is this HLS? These are all just sources, they can preview them. So it's, again, always about being as user-friendly as possible. And then the same thing on the output side, any of these destinations, right, we've got all different types of protocols supported, HLS, SRT, Zixi, NDI, SDI, and so on, and social media. And what's also really interesting is that we have the ability to provide the resource for you dynamically through our cloud, or you can deploy that same lightweight agent that I was discussing about, for the SDI input and output on your own resource, whether it's in your cloud or on your own device, and it can be used to host all of this delivery and all of this transcoding and all of this scaling. So it's really flexible in terms of whether you need to, you plan to use this regularly with your own on-premise devices or on your own cloud, but maybe you have a one-off event where you need a whole bunch of resource for one day or for a few hours. You can easily spin that up and have that working for you alongside any of your other projects. So again, coming back to the ease of use, it's always seamless to the user. So that's TVU MediaHub.